Today I'd like to walk you through Connect for Healthcare, an online product that was started by a man who wanted a way to check in on his father-in-law on a regular basis and have an easy way to tell other family members what was happening with his health. Today what Neil Moore has developed is Connect for Healthcare subscription program, which lets families or other loved ones receive weekly or twice weekly updates on their parents' well-being. It can be used for both parents that are receiving care in their home or those living in a senior community, like a nursing home, assisted living, Alzheimer's community, or rehab facility. You begin at the home page and then sign in as a subscriber with your username and secure password. We've set up a fictitious person, Grandma Josie, being looked after by provider Gilbert Guide. So now we are going to set up Grandma Josie by pressing the big blue button, Edit Resident. You can see Grandma Josie's information here. If she was receiving in-home care, you'd check this and input the necessary address information for detailed emergency and reference information. Connect for Healthcare lets you select up to 10 of almost 40 standard health and wellness parameters, such as hydration, food intake, alertness, incontinence. These are the things you want routinely updated by the care provider and sent to the family. You can change them whenever you want. These are the concerns you want the care provider to keep you up to date on. Now we also want to personalize the page by uploading a picture of Grandma Josie. You can then choose which types of notifications you want to receive. Press the link that says Update Notification Settings. Now you can set yourself up with email and input your mobile number to receive if you want a text message. Then choose which of your family members receive updates, also inputting preferences for delivery updates, inputting email addresses, and mobile numbers for text messages. If you want to set up an account on Connect for Healthcare and your provider doesn't already offer it, they will contact them on your behalf. There is a link on their homepage taking you to a form to fill out. Give them the details of whether your parent is in a senior care community or at home receiving care. Communities that choose to join the program do not pay a fee. Once Connect for Healthcare has contacted the company and set up the community's or caregiver's account, you will receive an email telling you that your account, in this case the one for Grandma Josie, is ready for activation with step-by-step instructions for setting it up. All you do is modify any of the settings you want, just like we did before, and you are good to go. Then, once or twice a week, your parent's caregiver will log onto this site. They'll update you on the 10 health and wellness parameters that you chose, and also make some notes on anything important that you should know, or just something they want to share with you. You and everyone you set up to receive updates will get your messages sent immediately via email or text message. Connect for Healthcare gives families, no matter how close or how far apart they live from each other, a convenient, direct, and affordable way to check in and keep up to date on how a loved one is doing. It's a great tool to make sure that each person gets the same information at the same time in a way that works best for them. We're anxious to hear about how you are using Connect for Healthcare and how it's helping your family. Don't forget to come back here and let us know and give us an update.